Kolkata, earlier Calcutta, the city of joy. It is the capital of West Bengal and one of the biggest urban communities in India. One can experience and explore all the colors of life in this city. Kolkata has something to offer for everyone. It is one of a kind city and it cannot be compared with other cities of the world.
ईंट की दुक्की पान का इक्का कहीं जोकर कहीं सत्ता है सुनो जी ये कलकत्ता है
Kolkata was the first city in India to offer underground metro services. The city offers variety of modes of transport, from hand puller rickshaw to ancient trams, from metro train to boats. It is the land of the greatest personalities in the world, like Rabindranath Ji Tagore, Sarojini Ji Naidu, Subhash Ji Chandra Bose, C.V. Raman, Mother Teresa, Amartya Ji Sen.
ना पाकिट में माल है बाबू ना कपड़ा ना लत्ता है सुनो जी ये कलकत्ता है
So let's take a tour of the history of Kolkata and the events that have shaped its present. In 1717, Mughal ruler Farooq Seer permitted the East Indies Company to conduct its business in Calcutta. Soon the British intervened and Robert Clive took control of the city in 1757 from Siraj-ud-Daulah. The Nawab was vanquished in a matter of seconds thereafter at Plassey, after which the British guideline in Bengal was guaranteed. It became the first major city under the control of British and was announced as the capital of India in 1772. Soon after becoming the capital of British India, Calcutta started to flourish into a social and intellectual hub. With the establishment of the Asiatic Society of Bengal, intellectual life received a boost and several educational institutes in Western style higher education were formed, like the Sanskrit College, Calcutta Medical College, and the University of Calcutta.
On December 12, 1911, George V officially announced Delhi as the capital of India. The shift from Calcutta to Delhi took place due to the need for a more geographically centralized location. The rising nationalist movement and rising resentfulness in Calcutta was also a concern for the British.
যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে তবে একলা চলো একলা চলো একলা চলো একলা চলো রে তবে একলা চলো একলা চলো একলা চলো একলা চলো রে
Calcutta after 1911 lost its coveted status and went through a period of political and economic decline. In the early 20th century, Calcutta had acquired a distinctly cosmopolitan underworld, and the emergence of professional hoodlum included people from all social backgrounds. Due to the limited education and employment opportunities, the criminal sector attracted many youths despite its risk factor. Opium smuggling was also on a rise in the 1920s, and a part of the produce was sold in Calcutta. The trade in cocaine and arms smuggling was interlinked to money lending and increased drastically in 1925. The Great Economic Depression struck Bengal and other parts of India in the 30s of the 20th century. It led to a decline in prices and had a negative effect on different countries. There was a decline in the amount of land sold and mortgaged during the era. The production of cloth and sugar increased, but jute production, which constituted the largest sector in the industrial field of the province, declined.
যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে This melodious song is written by none other than the great Rabindranath Tagore. Amitabh Bachchan paid tribute to Rabindranath Tagore by singing his melodious song. This song reminds us that we should be open-minded and we should walk alone fearlessly towards the path of success.
होरे हो अंधेरा सच को निगल जाए जब दुनिया सारी डर के आगे सर अपना झुकाए जब दुनिया सारी डर के आगे सर अपना
The Naxalite movement took place between the time period 1967 to 1970. The conflicts raised after the First World War, the devastating famine, the partition of Bengal had a socio-economic impact on the lives of the people of Bengal. The movement was led by the student community. They used armed revolution and violent measures to attain their objectives. This movement led to the rise of a communist party known as CPM in West Bengal. The CPM, in its 34 years rule, brought in numerous economic changes as a society. Poverty, infant mortality rate decreased, and literacy rate increased. In 1991, globalization and privatization had a huge impact on Kolkata, especially handloom industry, tea industry, and tribal community were affected. It had an effect on overall production, income, and employment in Kolkata's economy. Lastly, the two major notable achievements of Kolkata were land reform and green revolution. Due to the Operation Baga reform by CPM, the productivity of yield increased and the rise of irrigation fertilizer also increased. The CPM rule had put an end to the landlordism. The modern agricultural technology came into effect in West Bengal in 1970, which led to the productivity of rice fields. It eventually led to the optimum growth of agricultural sector in India.
ওরে ও ভাগা কেউ কথা না কয় যদি সবাই থাকে মুখ ফিরায় সবাই করে ভয় যদি সবাই থাকে মুখ ফিরায় সবাই করে ভয় তবে পরাণ খুলে তুই মুখ ফুটে তোর মনের কথা একলা বলো রে ও তুই মুখ ফুটে তোর মনের কথা একলা বলো রে যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে
Kolkata witnessed economic changes even after the year 2000. The majority of the workforce was employed in the tertiary sector, followed by secondary sector and primary sector, respectively. Kolkata is the city of festival. Every day is like celebration in the city. But the best time to visit the city is during Ma Durga Puja, which generally takes place between September and October. It is decorated like a princess to welcome Ma Durga. However, the dark side shows that 1/4 of the population was living on only Rs 27 per day, which depicts the poor living condition of people of Kolkata. Currently, Kolkata is the home to large nationalized banks like UCO Bank and Bandhan Bank, which is the largest microfinance group of India.
In the end, we all know that Kolkata is a beautiful city with a rich history. And it is rightly said that Calcutta is not for everyone. You want your city clean and green? Stick to Delhi. You want your city rich and impersonal? Go to Bombay. You want them high-tech? Bangalore's your place. But if you want a city with a soul, come to Calcutta.
कहीं सत्ता है सुनो जी ये कलकत्ता है ईंट की दुक्की पान का इक्का कहीं जोकर कहीं सत्ता है सुनो जी ये कलकत्ता है